Hey, good evening everyone. This is Suraj, and I think so. I can touch an iPhone stolen in your phone, and I can search you iPhone stolen, and you can first thing you can try this iPhone to unlock people everywhere and call your number and iPhone is very hardly not open for this, so you can search your nearby police station and EMI number, bill box and charger, and you can show your policeman, and you can search anywhere to your home and your address and anywhere your friend circle. And I think iPhone is very important to document everywhere, but not open. Anybody not seeing to open your iPhone, so you can search anywhere and do first thing delete your email to iPhone, and first thing you can lock your iPhone to iCloud, so not open your iPhone to your country. And iPhone is very hardly requested but not open, so you can searching, but iPhone is very hard reset not open. So do subscribe and share this video. I can teach you like something. iPhone is very important. Do subscribe, share this video.